Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Doji Hunter EA, an expert advisor developed by Renato Takahashi. On the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see this EA supports both MT4 and MT5. If you want the MT4 version, you can just search for the MT4 version if you are using the MetaTrader 4 platform. It is currently priced at 100 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 50 US dollars. This is version 1.3 updated on June 9th, 2021, and it shows 20 activations available. Alright, so as I scroll through the listing for this MT5 version, the developer describes this EA as a candlestick-based reversal system that focuses specifically on identifying doji patterns in the market. The idea here is that the EA detects doji formations and then uses them as potential signals for long or short trading opportunities. Moving further down, I can see that the system can also use a combination of indicators for additional confirmation. These include the stochastic oscillator, Bollinger Bands, and unbalanced volume. Each of these can be enabled as filters depending on how selective the trader wants the system to be. Now, what stands out here is that the EA is not just relying on candlestick recognition alone. Instead, it allows filtering conditions such as trading dojis only when price is within certain Bollinger Band regions or when stochastic levels meet specific thresholds. This adds a layer of confirmation before trades are executed. Now, looking at the trade management section, the EA includes configurable take profit and stop loss settings, and it also supports a trailing system based on Bollinger Bands. This means trade exits can either be fixed or dynamically adjusted depending on market movements and volatility conditions. As I move into the settings overview, I can see that the system is quite configurable. There are parameters for spread control, maximum number of open orders, and doji detection sensitivity based on candlestick body size. This allows the user to adjust how strict or flexible the pattern detection should be. Now, transitioning into the backtesting section, the recommended setup shown on the page includes Euro USD as the main symbol with suggested time frames of M5 and M15 and default optimization focused on Euro USD M15. All right, let's just briefly look at the backtest results that we have displayed here on the marketplace. From an initial deposit of $100,000, $1,000, total trades to about 286, I think, and we are seeing that the net profit was about 3,705 or so. All right, so here we are seeing the lot size was 0.1. Okay, let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester to see how this EA performed over the past 5 months using recent market activity in 2026. So we are testing the Doji Hunter EA on Euro USD on the M15 time frame as recommended, and the delays, we are using the last ping to the server every tick modeling. Looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 101.1, and the total trades taken were 34. Short trades were 11 with 72.73% win rate. Long trades were 23 with 34.78% win rate. The largest profit was $80.9, largest loss was 83.1, average profit was 71.89, and average loss was 69.52. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio on average is fair, but it's not good enough, because in as much as the average profit is bigger than the average loss, the difference is not much. So it's just very close to 1:1, which is not really good enough, right? Because you can see that the average win rate is also bad, and it's not surprising to see that the total net profit was negative, even though that is just very little compared to the initial deposit. All right, so as I review the historical chart activity, the system appears to be reacting specifically to candlestick formations that resemble doji structures. All right, as you can see, okay, this is one trade here, and we can see another trade here, right? You can see another here. So in addition to the doji structures, we're also having confirmations coming from indicator conditions such as overbought or oversold stochastic levels and Bollinger Band positioning. Now, from the historical behavior, it is clear that the EA is designed to operate in a reversal focused way, attempting to capture potential market turning points rather than following long directional trends. When evaluating these historical backtest results, it's also important to treat them strictly as historical testing performance. All right, the way the system behaves in past market conditions does not guarantee future outcomes. Performance can vary depending on spread conditions, broker execution, lot size settings, slippage, and overall market behavior. I would also recommend running longer term testing and optimization yourself so that you can get better understanding um you know of how the EA performs across different market phases, especially since candlestick based systems can behave differently in ranging versus trending environments. So overall, Doji Hunter EA for MT4 and MT5 presents a structured approach to candlestick reversal trading, combining doji detection with indicator-based filters and configurable trade management tools. As always, careful testing and proper risk management are essential before considering any live application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications as well, so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Happy trading.